Hello folks, welcome to Power Ridge Homestead. Today is demolition day. I'm finally getting the bathroom done. 3 years, I think it's been in this mode. My brother-in-law's here. Cecil's here. Say hi.
Distance, John?
Say hi, Don.
75. Okay.
Say hi, Don.
Hi. Cut it. Or should we go back and get,
Well, I would rather not cut it.
Yeah, I don't want to.
The other one was 50 something.
I thought you said it was 80 high.
This is 80
This
high.
is 80 high.
One. But they sell another one where it
Right,
doesn't
it's
go
51.
51.
51 or 54. So it's demolition day, 3 years
51
in the making. I'm going to just show separate videos. Little clips of them doing the bathroom because it's just too tough.
Usually the same height.
Hey guys, so I'm just going to work on a few videos at a time. I'm not going to bother doing it so that the guys are getting interrupted and stuff like that. They've got a lot of work to do in there. It's demolition day. See how far they get today. Probably no bathroom facilities because we do only have one bathroom here. This is the old house, getting it ready for selling. And I'm finally getting the bathroom renovated. Isn't that funny? Finally. It took selling the house to get it renovated. Let's see how it goes over the next few days.
Try one of these. If we can get into corners, because those are a solid corner.
Yeah.
Then it helps peel it off. So we're just going to get that top piece there.
How's it going, Cecil?
Yeah, fine.
I see the tub's out.
Yeah, we bought back the other tub surround.
Yeah.
It was actually for a shower,
Oh no.
right? The guy should have told us that. So 8 feet is from the bottom straight up.
Oh.
In a shower stall. So what we ended up doing is getting the 60-inch one now. So that's why I'm taking out the rest of the drywall. So we're going to drywall everything, remove the window, and then put the tub in and go 56 inches up from the tub. And it'll give us a space up here that I got to paint of drywall. So it is what it is.
Yep.
It's still going to look really good when it's done.
So everything's staying where it is, though, the faucets and the
Yeah, I
toilet
got
and
new
all that?
faucets here, new faucets here.
Oh, okay.
They were a decent price. They weren't bad. So.
Oh, I don't care.
So we're going to tear all this out. This is all coming out. So
The copper? You mean?
no, here. The Moen faucet's coming out. We're
Oh,
putting
okay.
a new foot faucet, temperature adjustment, and a new shower head.
Oh, okay.
It's all going to go in. This is all going to get replastered
Okay.
and reboard it. So I'm going to work on this. John's working on the plumbing in the basement, and then we're going to take the window out, build our frame, insulate it, and that's probably it for the day after that. So,
Yeah, it's a lot of work already.
yeah. Oh yeah, this is a big part of it here, right? So
Wow, fantastic. I was surprised.
smells like shit downstairs.
Oh.
We had to take off the P-trap and it spilt. Right?
Oh.
And there was enough hair in that drain to like bald people would have loved it. It's so pretty, but it's nasty, so we're calling it the rat. Right? So, yeah.
Oh, it's amazing what you find in drains.
Oh, it's gross. It's not
yes.
easy. It's just gross.
It's gross. It's gross.
All right.
A sunny day. I'm sure Angus has been very anxious because of the noise in the bathroom. I just come out here where it's a little peaceful. Got it all cleaned up for the new owners when they come in. We'll see how they do. I'm sure that they'll love the gardens. Having fires every night, if they can. And we'll go from there. So let's get back to the bathroom.
You want to get that plywood up in there now? Don't do it too tight though, because you got to be able to press it with plywood, right?
Yeah. Not worried about that. I can cut that up in.
Yeah. Or cut it afterwards. I gotta get a sharper knife.
Okay folks, so here's the results for today anyways. We've got the window covered and the tub is in. Look at that. Toilet and sink is going to go tomorrow, and the rest of the plumbing, of course. That's day 1. So there we go. Hey folks, day 2. So we've got wallboard up. So I got to do some plumbing. Bathtub is in, and got to put a little bit more wallboard down at the bottom, of course. And then toilet, sink. It's slowly coming together. Haven't been without a toilet now yet, so that's good. I am without a shower, but that looks great. Got the wallboard up. I like that. It's nice. See how they do in a bit? So I think they're almost finished for day 2. I got the base of the boards all up, and this board was up now, and the plumbing's done. They had a bit of trouble with the plumbing. It wasn't fitting properly, so they had to do some readjustments with the plumbing behind, but the tub is holding water. Good to go. All right, I'm not sure what day this is, but look at that. The shower is installed, and they're working on the shower doors now. So putting the aluminum on for the framing. Got all of the doors in, or not the doors, the wallboards. Looks great. I'll have to take the plastic off. Looks fabulous. All right, so there we go. Toilet and sink still to come, but everything else, all for the bathroom and that itself, is complete. So we've got toilet to come, sink, a little bit more plastering, painting, the floor. So we had to get this in so we could take a shower, but that looks great. I love the floor. The shower stall looks great. Doesn't that look great? So there we go. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll catch up with you when we get the rest of it done.